back to the Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks. My name's Chad Seeger. If you ever had any so-so nachos, today we have your solution, because we have the Adjunct's Kitchen-owned homemade Southwest nachos. The only essential ingredients to nachos are tortilla chips and cheese. There's plenty of optionals that you can use to your liking. Here are the steps to making nachos. If you have pre-shredded cheese, you can skip this step, but I like to shred my own. And because it's nachos, you're going to need a lot. A fair amount of nachos is prep, so start by dicing up some tomatoes. For the onions, I like to give them a pretty decent sized cube, so they're not super fine. As they cook, they'll mellow. The cilantro, again, I like to give it a rough chop. For the lettuce, I like very fine strands for my nachos. Now we're going to form the first layer of our nachos. Nachos like this should have multiple layers so that there's a good amount of the ingredients in every single bite. So just lay out your tortillas, one tortilla deep. Try to cover as much surface area as you can. Try to arrange them so that they're cup side up. That way when you add the ingredients, they don't roll off. You want them to collect the ingredients. A little bit of effort now makes for better nachos later. Next step is to add your meat. I've got shredded pork. Try to distribute it evenly. But if you have ground beef or ground turkey, that works fine too. Shredded chicken. Today we've got shredded pork. See a few open areas there? Try to fix that. Now I'm going to spoon some of these black beans. Again, even distributions. Now add some of that taco seasoning. Cumin and chili powder. And then plenty of cheese. There we have our base. We're simply going to do that process over again. So put another layer of tortilla chips. Be a little less careful this time. Just make sure everything gets covered. Now the meat again. Then add the rest of the beans. There we go. I'm using black beans, but you can use refried beans, kidney beans, red beans, pinto beans, any type of bean. Now I'm going to add the onion. Again, the heat will mellow them out a little. So if you don't like onion, you don't like biting into raw onion, don't worry. They're going to cook a little. Cooking a little mellows them out. Now add the rest of that taco seasoning. Finally, before we put it in the oven, the rest of the cheese. There we go. Any parts are lacking for cheese, just add a little bit more. This guy's ready for the oven. Preheat the oven to 425. With the preheated oven, add the nachos. After about 6-7 minutes, they're done. So kill the heat and remove the nachos from the oven. Now top them with your shredded lettuce and tomatoes. And then lastly, the cilantro. There we have a beautiful tray of double layered nachos. A really good nacho has everything you want on the chip. The cheese, the meat, whatever else. And this recipe always delivers. Thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.